Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And you're probably like, Gary, where are you? So guys, I am back in college, unfortunately. But it doesn't matter because you know what that means. It's gonna be more videos, better content, and just an overall new space. So just new ideas for new content. So today's video topic is gonna be about stablecoins. Pretty much, what are stablecoins? Are they a good investment? If they're an investment, what would it be in? And just overall thoughts on different stablecoins and which one I think you should probably invest in. So like always, make sure you hit that like button because we gotta push this video to the YouTube algorithm. If you didn't like the video already, I don't know what to say to you. You're not a supporter. You're not a supporter. And guys, if you didn't subscribe already, subscribe and just join a community. Big community, kind of. We're on our way to 1,000. That's the goal. You guys can just hit that sub button to help me out. And like always, guys, comment below snakes because man, the crypto market is a snake and Bitcoin's a snake. Stop crashing. Please stop crashing. Losing us money. Just stop. Please. So guys, down below, drop those snakes. Drop them. And like always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm a college student trying to get a degree. But we're going to get straight into the video, so let's get into it. So what the heck is a stablecoin? Well, guys, a stablecoin is a cryptocurrency. Okay, guys, thanks for watching the video. But in all seriousness, guys, the stablecoin is not just a cryptocurrency. So let me explain that. So a stablecoin is not mined like a normal cryptocurrency. It is linked and pegged to another asset. In this case, it will be the US dollar. So stablecoins are linked or pegged to the price of the US dollar, which is, a dollar. So for example, one stablecoin will equal $1. So it's a 1-to-1 ratio, and a dollar is pretty much a dollar. So what that means is that stablecoins are more for long-term investing, and they are generally safer in stablecoins. They won't go higher than a dollar. They won't go lower than a dollar. They're stable. There will always be a dollar, no matter what. You want to know what that means? That means for anyone watching this video, and if you want to get into the crypto market and you're afraid of the riskiness and the validity of the crypto market, you can invest in stablecoins. Not financial advice, but the thing about stablecoins is stablecoins are stable. You don't have to worry about the market going up. You don't have to worry about like the market crashing right now. Like the market's crashing, but the stablecoins are still a dollar. So you don't have to worry about that. So that's the big draw with stablecoins. It's for people that don't want to risk too much, but they can still, be a part of the crypto market in the crypto space. And it's for people that's actually in the space, like me. I love stablecoins. I'm still in the space and I invest in things such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, spell token. I invest in those things, but I also invest in spell tokens because spell tokens can make you quite a lot of money. So you're probably asking, Gary, if stablecoins don't go up in price or go down in price, how am I going to make money off of nothing? Yeah, I'm literally sitting here. How, Gary? Explain. Hey, you. I'm glad you asked that. You. Yeah, you. I'm talking to you. You had that subscription? You subscribed to me? You better have subscribed. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So the way I make money with my stablecoins is through interest. So I talked about this a lot on my channel, guys, and I don't know how you guys feel about this, but I do not have a savings account. You don't attack me. Don't attack me. This is just a personal belief of mine that savings account there's no point of it. The interest rates that banks give you are so low, just in my idea, because my bank account, the highest like premier savings account you can get, it's literally like 1.5% APY. I think even lower than that. I think it's 1. And it's like I haven't, used it, so I wouldn't even know, but it's just so not worth it to me, because why would I keep my money into that for it to grow at such a small rate? So people always tell you to save your money so you get interest off of it, but it's so minimum. So it's no interest you're basically getting. So that's why I like stablecoins and the different interests you can get with stablecoins. Spoiler, you can get up to 9% APY with stable coins, but we're going to keep that for a little later. Yeah, guys, high interest rates, put a smile on my face. So there's a ton of different apps and such you can use to get your interest rate on your stable coins, but let's slow down. Let's not talk about the interest rates here. Let's talk about the actual stable coins. So let's move over here to the computer, and there we go. One of the most important stable coins is Tether. Tether is probably the most popular stable coin because it's like got a lot of use cases for a lot of things, a lot of different apps. So like USD Tether, I would say this is more like the what you would use for buying things like in the crypto network. Like obviously you would use like Ethereum stuff to buy like NFTs, but in terms of like buying things, uh, like this would be the currency, you know, just like converting different currencies back and forth, like converting, saying like Tether to a wallet and converting it to Ethereum or stuff like that. This is generally what it's used. Is stablecoin, payments, asset-backed stablecoin. So like there's things that you can use. Like I believe Spell Token does it, where you can send in your stablecoins and you can get their stablecoins back, and you can make money just with a higher APY. So it's all about, stablecoins are all about getting interest rates. That's like the main draw with stablecoins. And I seen the funniest thing. Guy said $2 in 2030. Another guy said, let me try to see if I can find it. Let's pump it to $100. So funny, bro. Say like, guys, don't remember, stablecoin cannot go up in price. It will always be $1. See, for example, let me show you guys the 1 year high and the 1 year low. 99 cent for low, $1.03 for high. Literally, it can never go up in price. Like, look at this spike. It was barely a spike. See what I mean? So, it was just telling you that it's a stable coin that mirrors the price of the US dollar. And, you know, this is one of the popular ones, Tether. But that's not the one I use, actually. The one I use is, let me see if I can find it, USD coin. So this is the one I use. I just really like it. I don't know why. I just really like USD coin. It just seems like it's here to stay. And I don't know. It's just like, I got that draw to the USD coin. But same thing. Same thing with the USD coin, that it mirrors it's a 1-to-1 ratio, and it mirrors the US dollar. With USD coin, I believe you could, and we're gonna get to that, the interest rates, but I'll start with this one actually. I believe USD coin, you can actually get interest off it by holding it in your Coinbase wallet, but it's really low. I believe it's 1.5% APY. So I necessarily don't hold my USD coin in my wallet for Coinbase. I will hold it in something else. So other popular coins for stable coins are obviously USDT, Tether, USDC, USD coin. You have Binance USD, I believe DAI or DA. I don't even know how to pronounce it properly. Just to name a few of them. And like always, guys, they will stay at $1. Let's talk about the interest rates that you can get with these stable coins. So people use things such as Gemini Earn. I believe Gemini Earn can get you up to 9% APY on different stable coins. But what I like to use, and I am actually partnered with them, is BLOCKFI. And if you guys go in the link below and you can sign up for BLOCKFI, you can get up to $250 in Bitcoin for just funding your account. And you can actually like get their Bitcoin card, which you can earn up to 3.5% back in Bitcoin on every purchase with no annual fee. So down below, definitely help support me, and you guys can get that $250 for funding your account in Bitcoin. And like, you know, definitely check that out. BlockFi is really good for stable coins. In all coins, you can get interest on all coins. So if you guys are really serious about stable coins and earning interest, and you know, just getting your wealth up, I would definitely check out BlockFi. So let me give you guys a really cool example. Okay, so let me give you guys let's say it's 1 year. Okay, and let's block that out, and let's say you're investing in Tether. Okay, so you put it in $100,000. Now you might say $100,000 is a lot of money. I don't have that right now. You guys understand that as you save your money, you're gonna be putting more and more and more interest into BlockFi. As you save more and more and more, you'll be putting more money into this. So if you continue to grow your wealth, you will get to 100K. You know, you just gotta keep grinding. You know, get your businesses going and just grinding your money out. So $100,000, okay, 1 year. So $100,000. The reason I got that price for $100,000 is because it's 100,000 USDT, and like I said, USDT is $1. So $100,000. So if you look at this, so in 1 year, you will earn $8,891.98. So you're literally getting paid almost $10,000, guys, just for holding this in your wallet on BlockFi. Is that not crazy? Literally. Tag another a zero in there. $1 million of USDT earn you up to 85,000 in interest. Like guys, like you can't make this up. You can literally get for $10,000, you can get 1,000 back in interest. Like these would not happen at a bank. That's why stablecoins are super important. Like for building wealth and just for being invested in the crypto market, because stablecoins are the future, in my opinion. So that's my thoughts on stablecoins, guys. And always do your own research. See what you think about stablecoins. See if you like them. Check out different platforms. Like I said, BlockFi, if you guys look down below, sign up, start doing some stablecoin investing. That will help me out tremendously. But you guys don't have to use that one. You guys can do your own research and find your own interest accounts. And I love when you guys do your own research, and I love you guys when you guys comment and teach me new things, because there's been a lot of people that have been telling me things that I didn't even know. I do research on, and then I make a video on. So thank you guys for watching the video. What's your thoughts on stablecoin? Make sure you hit that subscription button. I'm going to be making that Discord server soon for us. And thank you guys so much for watching the videos and just the support. It's been overwhelming lately. So I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. And like always, peace. Oh, how many snakes?